What's up guys, we're all here with Seat Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how heat affects leather and vinyl. So what I have here for demonstration purposes is going to be a piece of vinyl that's laminated and a piece of leather. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a nice pull, mark, pull, mark, and then we're going to take a little bit of heat to it. Generally, the OEs are going to use vinyl on the side skirting and leather on the seating surface just because it is a little bit cleaner install and it's a little bit easier to do as well. They'll actually run it through an oven whenever they're done, and it just kind of almost shrink wraps the whole seat cover. All right, so now we're going to give it another little pull and mark, and we'll heat up our leather as well. Pull it and mark it. And as you can see, there is a pretty big difference between leather and the vinyl. Just because vinyl tends to be a lot more elastic than leather is. So a lot of times we tend to push leather and vinyl more than all leather just because it will be easier to install. But obviously if you're up north where the extreme colds make vinyl a lot more brittle than leather, and you go the leather option, it's still possible to install, it's just gonna be a little bit more difficult. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to follow us on social media and on the links below. And then remember always, if you have a question, feel free to hit us up in the comments, and who knows, maybe we'll make a video on it.